Oh lordy. Oh lordy. What did I do?
Baby, squeeze me oh so tight. Baby.
Hello my darlings, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. And today I am bringing back a popular makeup trend, probably from 5 years ago, that I really want to try and I think we can all relate to. The 3-minute makeup challenge. Yes, I know this is very daring. That means in 3 minutes I have to do a full face of makeup, including concealer, highlighter, eyeshadow, eyebrows, lipstick, foundation. It's everything. Oh, Ashley, what am I getting myself into? So here we go. The 3-minute makeup challenge. Alrighty, so since I use my phone for recording, I am going to set my 3 minutes on my iPad, and you can see my ring light in the background. So, oh god, here we go. Alrighty. 3 minutes for a full face of makeup. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. This is really stressful. Okay. We're just putting on the base for the foundation. Okay, we're calling that good. Okay, foundation. Oh my god, my hands are sticky. Okay. Cool. Okay. One more dip. Okay, we're good. Blend it in. This is like me waking up 6:30 for school when I have to leave the house by 6:45. This is literally what I have to do. Okay, come on. I got this. 3 minutes. Okay, we have, oh god, only 2 minutes and 17 seconds left. Okay. This is the hardest part. Okay. Foundation done. Okay. Oh gosh, where's my concealer? Okay, concealer. By the way, I got this Tarte concealer. It's amazing. Okay, boop. Okay, we're done. Also, my beauty blender totally failed on me. I tried to clean it and it fell apart. Woohoo. Oh, this is not going well. Okay. I probably wouldn't try to attempt to do a full face in this amount of time. Oh lord. Okay, I don't think I could fix this. I look like a ghost. Oh crap. Okay. Blend. I'm trying not to stab my eye out. Okay, we're good. Oh gosh. Bronzer. Next. Cheekbones. Yes. We like that. If I have time, I will try to fix. Oh lord, that looks horrible. Okay. Blush. I have literally 1 minute and 10 seconds left, I think. Oh lord. Okay. Eyebrows. Okay. I have no eyebrows in general. We're just gonna half fill them in. Okay, cool. Oh gosh, I have less than a minute. Oh my god, can this work? Okay. This is really stressful. Okay, we're gonna go on to, the gold. Okay. We're literally not even gonna use a brush. I don't have time. Oh, I have 40 seconds. Oh god. Oh wow. Okay, I just did that. Oh, this is not going well. Oh my god, I forgot my mascara. Crap. Okay, next. Okay, we'll just go with the nice eyeliner. Oh lord, I'm staring my eye. Oh my gosh. Okay. You know, we're just gonna have to call that good. I need highlighter. Oh my gosh, I have 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Okay, highlighter. Oh my gosh. Oh. No. I didn't finish, and who put the duck sound as my alarm? Oh my. Oh no, I failed. I don't even know what to say in this moment. I look horrible. I mean, let's just get a close-up. What happened to the bronzer and my eyes? What did I do? I shouldn't even gone. Oh wow. Okay. I didn't even get to the lips. I didn't even get to do my eyelashes. Highlights on fleek though. Well, I think it's safe to say that maybe doing a full face of makeup takes more than 3 minutes. Advice if you're gonna try to do this challenge in 3 minutes, skip the foundation. Leave a nice, beautiful, fresh face and just do your eyes and eyebrows and lips. That's definitely what I would suggest. Well, anyway, if you're even still watching, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment down below, and please subscribe if you would like to see more crazy content like this or other makeup challenges. I don't know what you guys are gonna do after you click off this video, but I know what I'm gonna do. Take a shower and wash my face. Anyways, I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.